Okay, I think we should start now. Is it okay?
Everyone, please give your responses in the chat box. Shall we start now? So yes, I think they are ready now.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Good afternoon to all. I am Pankhudi Nasre, the ladies representative of second year of MEME department. I hope that you and your families are doing well. I welcome you all to your very first department event, Parichaya 21. Next slide, please. I feel extremely proud when the students of our department unite and work as a team to excel in various competitions that are conducted in our college. And I hope that you all will join us very soon. As you might already know, Institute Gathering and Department Gathering are two of the biggest events of our college. But due to this pandemic, you were not able to experience them. But as Bear Grylls said, improvise, adapt, overcome. Next slide, please. So, we have organized this event to give you a glimpse of college life by covering the areas of culture, art, creative writing, and sports. We have planned fun activities in each segment that will give you a chance to interact with your batchmates as well as seniors. Moving on to the next part, I would request Dr. Manjusha Thavre ma'am to say a few words.
Thank you, Pankhudi. Good afternoon, everyone. So I hope that we are interacting after a long time. So everyone is free from their exams and all and a little relieved. So this is really a very good platform all your seniors and your batchmates have created so that you can all interact. I just loved the title, Parichaya. Okay. So if this would have been a usual situation, you would have all got a grand freshers by all your seniors and you would have loved it. But nevertheless, you are still getting a chance to interact with each other. Let me just tell you that the campus which you are right now not present in is very lively. When you come to the campus, you'll all love it. You have lots of facilities along with your all other cultural and other sports facilities. Even in the department, you have a very good end facilities which you can use for your studies as well as research work. Good faculties, good student mentors, good canteens also, a small although, but still it's good. Okay. So we just wish that you join us soon in the campus. This all pandemic and all just gets finished fast. And we see you in the campus because we are also not loving the campus without you. We also don't feel like going, okay, no students. So we feel that, okay, we need not go there. Now, since I think at least the last second years, it's almost 1.5 years now, they had a chance to visit the college at least. But the new first years now who have gone to second years, they are still waiting. So it's a beautiful place. When you come to the department, there is so much to do. When you hear that title called as metallurgy in the very beginning, perhaps you may never have an idea what is present in that metallurgy and materials engineering. But as you come inside, you'll get interested in that. When you get to see the metals from inside, when you get to see at micro and macro level. So everything we work out from micro to macro level. And that will be all very, very interesting. And guys, not only this, but everyone is very helpful also in the campus. You have your mentors, okay? At student level, you have your teachers, you have your head. Everyone is very cooperative. At any point, you all people feel that you need some help, you can always approach any one of us. And every one of us would be ready to be helpful to you people. Not necessary that it is only related to studies. So we just hope that this situation is overcome and you people come and join us so that we can have a good time, not only in studies, but all the other things also you can enjoy. And I think this platform will also give you a good opportunity to interact with all your batchmates whom perhaps you may have just interacted when the classes are going on. Interact with all your seniors, some who are already passing out, some who are still there to guide you. And this will be really helpful. So when you come back here, you will not feel new. You will be acquainted with each other. And I think that would be very good for you people also. You'll not feel homesick. You will be knowing each other. And that will be a very nice when you join all together. So I just hope these 2 days you have a fun time interacting with each other, having good activities, enjoy, and do post pictures to us also. Okay, so I don't think that I should interfere too much in your programs. I just wanted to talk in the beginning with you all that please have a good, nice time these 2 days and do share with us the glimpses of these 2 days with all of us. We'll be waiting for this. So maybe when we get those glimpses, even Balal sir would be happy to post it on our metallurgy group that such and such program was carried out by our metallurgy students. And we interacted with them and these were the activities done. Now Pankhuri told that we have some cultural activities, some gatherings, annual gatherings, and your department gatherings. Along with that, also we have some technical fests also in the college. Leaving the college at department level, also we have student symposiums, research symposiums, where you get a chance to showcase all your qualities, all the work which you have done. So, when we see the student, when they're coming in the first year, and when we see them all groomed up and going out in the final year, that's really a good sight, and thing to remember. So we just hope we see you in the same firm and meet soon. So all the best and enjoy your activities and do share with me and others also. We'll be happy to see all the pictures of your 2-day program. I think I should not bore you too much and stop here with my few words. Thank you, Pankhuri.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll still be there for a few minutes to see
Yes,
your
ma'am. Sure,
interaction.
sure.
Maybe in between I'll join sometime and just you can continue with your.
Yes, ma'am. Mansi, can you please move on to the next slide? This is the third year department council of the academic year 2020 to 2021. Next slide, please. Next, I would like to invite the second year council members to introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well. My name is Raju Bugude. I am from Karnool, Andhra Pradesh. I am class representative of my batch. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Pankhudi Nasri. I am the ladies representative of second year of MME. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, I'm Surya Teja. I am associate class representative of second year MME. I am from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Hello guys, my name is Prasen Kumar. I am the treasurer of second year council and I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya Panse. I am from Nagpur and I am the academic secretary of second year.
Hello everyone, I am Mansi M. Gupta. I am the second year academic secretary.
Sujay, Nidhi, Om, I think you can start.
Hello everyone, myself Om Turkar. I am from Chandrapur, Maharashtra, and I am the sports secretary of second year student council for our department. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Akshita. I am from Telangana and I am a sports secretary of second year council.
Hello everyone, I am Jatin Rathod and I am the creative secretary of the second year MME and I am from Mumbai.
Is there someone in between?
Ram, hai?
Shall I start? Okay.
You can start, I think. Continue.
Hello everyone. I am Yash
I am the
today,
creative
and I am the
secretary of
cultural
the second
secretary of the
year MME,
department.
and I am from Mumbai.
Okay, so hello guys. I am
Is there
Yash
somebody in
today.
between?
I am from Gondia, Maharashtra.
Shall I start?
Yeah.
You can start it.
Hello
Continue.
everyone, I am Rutuja Satpute and I am
Hello
Cultural
everyone.
Secretary
I am Yash. I
from
am the creative
Yavatmal, Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, myself Avani Karli, second year cultural secretary, Pradesh.
Hello everyone, I am Arthashri Parathe and I am Alumni Secretary of Second Year Department.
Hello everyone, I am Nitisha. I'm also Alumni Secretary of Second Year MME Department and I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Mansi, next slide please. Next, I would like to invite Surya to give you a little introduction about our department.
Hi everyone, hope every one of you is doing well. This is Surya. I'll be telling you a few things about the department. I assume most of you.
Hello everyone, I am Pushkar Sukhi from Nagpur and I am also the Alumni Secretary of
Mansi, next
second year.
slide please.
I assume most of you and your batchmates aren't aware of most of the department because that's how we were in our freshman year. I just want to give you a little bit of info that helps you to wipe out the disbelief you have about our department. The entire scientific and technological process used for isolation of a metal from its ore is known as metallurgy. This is a statement from a well-known NCERT. Well, I don't want to say this is a wrong statement, but generally it gives a misconception that all a metallurgist does is extract metals from its ores. Let's put that aside for a bit. Now let's look at the Google's definition. Next slide, please. It is a branch of science and technology concerned with the properties of metals and their production and purification. I believe this is a better definition than that given in the NCERT. From this definition, you can clearly see that metallurgy is not just the extraction or isolation of metals. In your coming semesters, you'll be studying a lot about properties of metals, different ways to characterize them, and you'll also be studying their behavior under different conditions. I think this evidence helps you to come to a conclusion that extractive metallurgy is part of a curriculum, but that's not all. We have much more. Hold on, you're into metallurgical and materials engineering, not just metallurgical engineering, right? So let me also brief you about the materials part. From the regular toothbrush you use in the morning to the vehicle that sends machines and humans into space, everything requires different types of materials. I think most of you are aware that doctors use different types of implants, which are designed by a material scientist or an engineer. It is the duty of a material scientist or an engineer to design, develop, and characterize materials with different properties based on their requirements. Next slide, please. For example, designing and enhancing the properties of superconductors make up the foundation for levitating and magnetic trains. Here on the slide, you can see a picture showing a schematic representation of arrangement of superconductors in the train and on the rails. Also, the MRI scanners used for medical diagnostics incorporate superconducting electromagnetic coils. Here on the right side, we are having a cross-sectional view of an MRI scanner and a longitudinal view of an MRI scanner at the bottom. Even though there are few differences between these, you can clearly see superconducting coils placed inside a liquid helium tank. Next slide, please. Another interesting field of materials engineering is nanomaterials. It's like taking everyday materials and making them much, much smaller, opening the chemical surfaces so they are active. From the top left image, you can see that smaller the particle becomes, larger the total active surface area becomes. The image below it shows various nanomaterials. You might have heard about few of these like carbon nanotubes, graphenes, and fullerenes. And there is also a size comparison chart in the middle of a slide. It's just to create a better imagination for you guys. One of the most important application of these nanomaterials is in the medical field. The rightmost picture helps you understand that. Different nanomaterials like imaging nanoprobes, magnetic nanoparticles, nanotubes, etc. All of these are on the outside of a blue circle. All these are used in combination with biomaterials or biomolecules, which you can see between the yellow and blue circles for various applications like drug delivery, imaging, and enrichment and sensing. I just want to show you how interesting various subdomains of a department can be. And that's the reason why I added all these pictures. I don't expect you to understand everything on the slides, so it's okay if you don't understand. I just want to make you curious with all this. Self-healing materials is another interesting topic. Here you can see self-healing behavior of a self-healing conducting polymer. These are just few of many interesting topics of material science and engineering. From now on, it is safe to say that every engineered product has its foundations in the materials used for it. Not only that, you get to learn and have a closer look at the techniques which you might have heard of in your 11th and 12th standard, like X-ray diffraction technique, electron microscopy, etc. That means as a material scientist or an engineer, you get to observe, analyze, and manipulate different objects at the deepest level of abstraction possible. Next slide, please. Here you can see the pictures of a departmental event called Symposium, where you will get a better career insight from seniors, professors, and alumni of the department. But since we are having a virtual semester, you didn't get to experience that event. I hope you will get a chance to attend that soon. To conclude, yeah, the popularity and the position of MME in the preferential order of a 12th standard student are not that high. But if you are a lover of science and are curious about how things work around you at the lowest level of abstraction, then you are in for a treat. Once you finish your second year, you will get a better understanding of what you will be dealing with. Since this is our first formal interaction, I welcome you to the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. I hope you'll enjoy your time in the department. Also, don't forget to have fun and be interactive throughout the event. Thank you, and I also welcome you. Ash will be continuing from here.
Okay, so good afternoon once again, everyone. So now we will be heading towards some of the most amazing events that college has for you. And two of the biggest events that college hosts are the DG and the IG. So I'll be talking about DG. DG, as you know, as the name suggests, DG is the department gathering, is the introductory event of the department where you get to know many stuff about the department, faculties, and how things go in the department as well. But you should note that it's not just an informative program. In fact, we have the most exciting and amazing events planned for you guys in DG. Some of the most astounding of them are the Rose Day, the paper dance, and the funky rally. So as you can see on the screen, here are some pictures from the Rose Day as well. In this, the boys have to give a rose to their friends and say a couple of lines for them. You know, it's a fun event. So boys, don't get excited or have your hopes too high because it's just to increase friendship and bonding among all of us. So heading on, we also have the funky rally in DG, in which we dress up according to the theme that is decided and, you know, in a very funky way. Some of them being so funky that it's a little bit unethical to show some pictures here on the screen. But believe me, guys, it's the most amazing part of DG. And then, you know, we dress up according to the theme and we just rally all around the campus with our friends from other departments as well. You know, it's kind of like a competition between the departments. It's the most amazing program. And believe me, you will have the best time of your campus life here. So that was pretty much by my side on DG. Now, I would like Raju to continue on IG.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Raju, again. After 1 month winter break, when the college reopens in January, many of us come back with homesick. And then comes the much awaited event of VNIT, Institute Gathering. A 10-day long event in the spine-chilling weather of Nagpur. The temperature falls down into single digits and nobody even feels like stepping out of their hostel rooms. But the IG makes them to step out of the hostel rooms and come into the cold chilling weather to support their branches. Let us experience a glimpse of IG in this video.
Set your face towards danger. Set your heart on victory. Winning isn't everything. But wanting to win is. My nobility is about being better than my former self. when the fire burning inside me is my greatest power. Only then will true victory be mine.
It would be as good as the one shown in Chichore movie. I hope you all watched Chichore. The events continue up to the late night. The atmosphere would be electrifying. The battle would be intense not only between the people on the field and also between the people of the field supporting their branches. The jeering, blowing, sledging slogans will boil your blood, will make you forget about the cold, and will also definitely make you sweat in the cold weather. That is how big this event is. I can promise you that. Next slide. This is so-called Enthu. Once play that video. Guys, it is the meta dance. You all should know that. We shout against each other so hard that by the end of the first day, many will lose their voices. But we'll come back soon on the second day too, and we'll continue to come back again and again until the end of the event. The last day of the IG will be most memorable to many of the students because it includes photo shoot at the college. And in the evening, it's trophy time. You can see here the first picture depicts the photo shoot at the college main building. And in the evening, we'll be knowing who is the winner of IG. Last year, we secured third position. Hopefully, when you all come back, we'll get the first place. Guys, trust me, those 10 days would be so good that you will cherish them forever. After the end of the event, you'll start counting 365 days again. That's for sure. Thank you.
Without further ado, let's move on to the main part of the event. Here's the schedule. As you can see, today we'll be starting with the sports segment, followed by the cultural segment, which will include dance, drama, as well as singing. And then we'll have a gaming session on the app House Party. And tomorrow we'll have Art Corner, which will include photography, art, as well as filmmaking. Then the creative segment, which will include creative writing, as well as debate. A small gaming session followed by a fun interaction with your seniors. I wish that all the students participate in these events with full energy and enthusiasm. I hope
You are
that
requested
you
to
all
Pankudi, just ask them to take a screenshot of the events so that
We'll
they
share
can have
it
the
with
schedule
them.
with them. Okay.
I hope that you all will enjoy this event as much as we enjoyed organizing it for you. Feel free to explore all the events according to the given schedule. See you soon. Thank you.
Should we stop streaming now, Surya?
Yeah. Yes, I'll just.
Thank you guys for having us. I think they are excited. They are in the chat although.
प्रसेन सर के बारे में चर्चा
अभी बोलो ना.
डांस चाहिए भाई.
स्ट्रीम खत्म हो गया क्या?
नहीं स्ट्रीम
खत्म
कर
हो
रहे
गया
हैं
क्या?
कर रहे हैं शायद
अच्छा
कर रहे हैं.
प्रसेन सर